50 cat names inspired by nature, along with a curiosity or fact about each one. Willow trees are known for their graceful and flexible branches. Luna means moon in Latin and is often associated with nocturnal creatures. Ivy is a climbing plant known for its lush, green leaves. Jasper is a type of precious stone known for its beautiful patterns and colors. Stormy, cats often hide during storms due to their sensitive hearing. Daisies are simple and charming flowers loved for their beauty. River, cats sometimes enjoy playing with water from rivers or streams. Pebbles are small, smooth stones often found near water bodies. Sky, cats often gaze at the sky, especially during birdwatching sessions. Maple trees are known for their vibrant autumn foliage. Ferns are ancient plants with delicate, feathery fronds. Thunder, cats may be startled by the loud noise of thunder during storms. Sable is a fur color associated with minks and other animals. Autumn, cats often enjoy the falling leaves and cooler weather of autumn. Olive trees produce small, green fruits used to make olive oil. Misty mornings create an enchanting atmosphere in nature. Ash trees are known for their distinctive winged seeds. Tigers are magnificent big cats with striking orange coats and black stripes. Coral reefs are diverse underwater ecosystems vital to marine life. Cedar trees have aromatic wood used for various purposes. The aurora borealis, northern lights, is a stunning natural light display. Bears are powerful and elusive creatures found in various habitats. Embers are glowing, dying pieces of firewood. Storms can bring dramatic changes to the natural world. Hazel trees produce nuts that are a favorite among wildlife. Sunny, cats often bask in the warmth of the sun's rays. Pumas, also known as cougars or mountain lions, are agile predators. Meadows are lush, grassy areas teeming with life. Ravens are intelligent birds known for their dark plumage. Topaz is a gemstone that can come in various colors, including golden. A blaze is a bright and conspicuous flame. The ocean is a vast and mysterious part of nature. Jasper is a type of volcanic rock known for its beautiful patterns. Willow trees often have weeping branches that create a curtain of leaves. Misty mornings can create an ethereal and peaceful atmosphere. Orion is a prominent constellation in the night sky. Serenity refers to a state of calm and tranquility. Frost forms on surfaces when moisture in the air freezes. Echoes are reflections of sound waves. Twilight is the period between day and night with soft, diffused light. Cinnamon is a spice derived from tree bark. A blaze is a brilliant and intense fire. Starlings are known for their acrobatic flying and synchronized movements. Ferns are ancient plants with a unique reproductive cycle. Mount Everest is the tallest peak on Earth. Coral reefs are teeming with vibrant marine life. Orion. Orion's belt is a distinctive feature in the constellation. Moss. Mosses are small, green plants that thrive in damp environments. Galaxy. Galaxies are vast systems of stars, gas, and dust in space. Nimbus. Nimbus clouds often bring rain and stormy weather.